Hi everyone, welcome back to WebTech Tutorial. Today, I'll be showing you how to change font style on WhatsApp. Watch the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as I post a new video. To change your font size on WhatsApp, tap open your WhatsApp application from the app list. You can change the font size in WhatsApp from WhatsApp settings. Now, as soon as you reach the home screen of WhatsApp, tap on the More Option button, which is a three-dot located on the upper right corner of the screen. Now, from the menu, select Settings. Now, tap on Chats. Under Chat Settings, you'll see Font Size. Simply tap on it and you can select the font size from the pop-up. For small size, tap on Small, and as you can see that the font size has changed. For large, tap on the large option. Similarly, you can select the medium size for your WhatsApp font as well. Select any one you like, and that is it. That is how you can change font size on WhatsApp. If you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Thank you for watching.